This is our new survival kit called the S.A.F E kit. This is designed to work in conjunction with the S.A.F E knife or the SS1. We have a small metal tin, approximately 1.5 inches wide by 3.5 inches long. Has the Techline logo etched on the front. We open this up. We have a heat-sealed plastic package containing the contents of the survival kit. You can also note there's a little bit of room left over, actually quite a bit of room, where you can easily add more items like some quick tinder tabs or a button compass, and it will easily contain that. So there is some room to customize the kit however you would like. We take those items out of there. Let's go ahead and get to the kit as provided. Tin goes there. Again, this is a heat-sealed plastic package. We take this, tear open the tab, get rid of that. Let's just go ahead and dump it all out. We have a sterile stainless steel scalpel blade that can be used for a variety of purposes. We have 2 mini glow sticks, 2, we'll drop it there, quick tinder tabs, a Techline ferrule rod, 1/4 inch thick ferrule rod, and an Olight flashlight with the Techline brand. I believe this puts out 90 lumens and has an approximate runtime of 90 minutes on one AAA battery. So quite a powerful little light. I believe this one has a battery in it. Yeah, very good. So those are the contents of the kit. This all comes in at 1.98 ounces, so just under 2 ounces for the whole package. Quite a comprehensive kit for its size.